Sorry for delay. I not understood why I have this problem with the screw in axis Y with this side. It's impossible. It's very impossible. I have this problem. Only free mount to use this. And I want to check with my computer. The setting is very low. The feed rate of move. And now I use 18% about of this, not 100%. It's not logical. For me, it's indispensable have the machine in without this problem, because for me it's impossible to work. Now I shipping to you this video, but I want the replace with the problem, with to solve the problem in very fast way, because it's not logical have this problem. Thank you. Bye.